is a rainy day, but what a great day to go to a garden center undercover. I'm at the Portland Nursery on Stark Street with Sarah. And Sarah, you know, I think it's good to go shopping when it's raining, because then I'm all ready to plant on a sunny day.
It's true, and so many people plant when it's really warm out, but plants love it when it's the overcast and wet weather.
Yeah. So you're going to have some nice suggestions for us to plant in maybe a shady site this time.
I do. A shade can be such a hard one to add some color to, and so that's why these heucheras are one of our favorites. They are mostly evergreen, so they will add that color even, year-round, even without the flower. So the flower is, as you can see, it's not, the showstopper. Really, the foliage is the showstopper, and there are so many different colors that you can really find what you're wanting to complement other plants. So it makes it for an easy combination. You don't have to worry about them clashing with each other. And so I just wanted to plug in the Japanese forest grass. I think it's a really good complement because you could literally stick it with any of these colors and it's gonna look good. You drop in a third thing, because I like planting in threes or odd numbers, and it's just kind of an instant combination no matter what you end up choosing.
And I think that is a great idea for a garden or even a container, because a lot of us don't have a lot of space, and you have a container on the deck. And so these will do well there too.
Yeah, and it's a nice perennial look for a container, yeah.
So Sarah, for us home gardeners, so do you need a lot of space for these?
No, actually, I mean, with these, something that I love about them is it's kind of what you see is what you get. They stay pretty small. You can, cut them back if they start looking icky, or like maybe in the spring. They look okay coming out of winter. But generally, they're just a very easy maintenance. They're not going to take over. They're going to be very much like how they look right now.
And so could you just call out maybe just a couple names? Because I know you have a wide selection, but maybe just name a couple of them so the people at home can kind of see them.
Yeah, so this one, I really love the orangey red color. This is called City Rio.
Pretty.
I also really love this one. It's Cascade Plum. And I don't know, this is Fire Chief here. It's got that really deeper red. And then this one here is Black Pearl. So, and I don't want to leave this one out, I guess. Sweet tea. Looks like a real sweet tea. But I would say the plum colors are probably my favorite. They can really pull into a lot of different colors or combinations,
Right, and really, you do have such a wide selection at both the Stark Street and the Division store. So whenever you come, you're going to find one that will fit into your containers or into your landscape. So if you have any other questions, please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the Portland Nursery website, and you can come out and get some new heucheras for your garden. Thanks so much, Sarah.
Thank you.